Hi guys, so I created this Firey Gold Smokey Eye using the Madison Beers palette by Morphe. As the palette, I lost the names of the shades, so I just kind of point to the shade when I use it. So yeah, I just created this gold fiery smoky eye. If you love makeup tutorials or anything makeup related, please subscribe because that is what my channel is all about. And yeah, we'll just jump right into the tutorial. This smudge brush, which looks like this, and I'm gonna go with this warm brown shade up here. This is like an orange tone brown, very warm. I'm gonna dust this in my crease area. Building up this shade as a transition shade. This is definitely one of my favorite shades in the palette. And it's one of the better shades. There are a few hits and misses in this palette, but this one really blends out really nice and even. Sigma E25, I'm going with that matte cranberry red shade right there. I'm gonna dust this in the outer crease. And that shade also blends out very nice. Just dragging it in just a tad, keeping it nice and low, just blending it out. That blended out like a dream perfectly. So I'm just gonna turn my brush sideways and just blend out those edges, making sure it's nice and even. So this is the Urban Decay Naked brush. I'm gonna go with this smaller, more dense brush. It's like a shader. I'm gonna take this darkest maroon shade at the bottom here, and I'm gonna dust the outer V here. It's a little patchy, but nothing too terrible. It's pretty much almost half of my eye that I'm filling out here in the outer V. And I'm gonna go with this gold shade right here, my finger. I'm just gonna apply this to my inner half of my eyelid. That coppery red and apply that to the outer part of that. Like that. Then with a pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with the matte black. Just like that, going back in with that coppery shade, just a touch on top of that. Voila! Going in with a Morphe JH43, looks like a painting brush. I'm gonna go in with that darkest maroon shade at the bottom there and apply that to my bottom lash line. Take a blending brush and just blend that out so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna go back in with that pencil brush and just brush on the outer V with a little bit of the black to just darken it up and smoke it out. With a small brush, I'm gonna take some of this highlighting shade. Eyeliner, this is by Tarte. It's a Tartiest. Apply this to my bottom lash line. I'm going to apply some mascara. And with some Kiss Pompadour lashes and some lash glue, and I'll be right back. And so that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.